Hello and welcome to our review of LEGO City Heavy Cargo Transport Building Kit. This kit includes 310 pieces and has a really good customer review status on Amazon. The link will be in the description below, so let's head on. The recommended age for this LEGO City building kit is 5 to 12 years old. It has a choking hazard for children below 3 age. This is a perfect gift for your son, grandson, or even daughter if she is into building kits. The box includes pieces for a heavy truck, flatbed trailer, toy helicopter, and it also comes with two figurines you can see in the left bottom corner right now. The measurements of the truck. Truck measures over 3 inches high, 5 inches long, and 2 inches wide. The helicopter measures over 3 inches high, 8 inches long, and 1 inch wide. And you can see the flatbed that the helicopter is sitting on right now is really well made, has a really realistic look. And now let's see what one customer has to say about this product. This is a neatly LEGO set with lots of playability. There's never a shortage of helicopters in the LEGO City line, but this helicopter has a slightly different design than a typical helicopter. The truck that pulls the helicopter is really the treat in this set. It's very realistic and provides quite a bit of size to the actual LEGO set. I like how big the truck is and how it serves as both as a repair service truck along with a transport truck. This set comes along with 2 LEGO minifigs, which is fairly common for the small mid-size LEGO sets. Overall, I like this set and I think it adds a great vehicle to your city line up. Tell us in the comments, what do you think of this LEGO kit? If you decide on buying it, use the Amazon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching.